Hope everyone's day is going well.
Oh my gosh.
Guardian Leviosa. Currently making rice. So I tried filming an old Nikon camera, but the quality was really bad. The audio is really bad. You can hear everything. This is what I look like so far. I will check back in the morning to see how these turn out.
Good morning. It's the next day. I'm gonna take out these sock curls and hopefully they look okay. Came out super curly and wavy. Oh my gosh.
I'm just outside, sitting in the sun. Feels really nice. I just got a little ready. I'm gonna go get some boba, probably, as always. Sparrow's right behind me. Oh, she's peeing. That's what my hair looks like now. I brushed it out. It's kind of messy now. Last night, or this early morning, at around 5 a.m., I woke up to the right side of my throat feeling so sore. Like, I couldn't swallow without any pain. That's how I felt for about 2 hours because my heater was blasting hot air. I think the dryness dried out my throat because usually when I sleep, I usually like cover my head like I'm all the way under the covers. But last night, I was just so cozy, and also because I slept with a bonnet, so my head wasn't cold and the blankets were just like on my stomach, like stomach and lower. Then at 5 a.m. I woke up and I was like, I tried swallowing and just like sharp pain. So I got up, I drank some water, and then when I got into bed, I couldn't sleep for about 2 hours. I covered myself with my blankets. I tried to like make it humid, and then all of a sudden I had like a runny nose just in this, like on the right side, my right nostril. So I grabbed my box of tissues, I put it next to me, I stuffed the tissue in my nose so it wouldn't be running. About 7 a.m. I fell asleep, and then when I woke up, it started feeling better. For 2 hours, I had a sore throat. So yeah, that's my story. I'm kind of tired. Pretty off morning for me. Gonna get some avocados from Aldi. We are back home now. Just waiting for dinner. I'm going to shower in a little bit also. Kind of want to clean. You know when you're really caffeinated, you kind of want to clean. At least me, I want to clean. Hope everyone's day is going well. I'm currently watching Flash and eating some of my brownies. No one else is gonna eat them, so I might as well eat them. I have some hot water right here because it's kind of cold right now. My curls went away because it was super windy and I just kept touching my hair. A little bit wavy. I know I've been wearing this sweater a lot. It's so comfortable. I am gonna redo my curls. Just brushed out my hair and I'm gonna try to make them look nicer than what came out today. Dropped a whole lot of water. Okay, see you in the morning. See how these turn out. Is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. And I hope you have a good day. Bye. She is saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break on brakes.